NCERT question answer. Okay, some NCERT question answer. One half of in your class and half of in class Pine. Okay. First of all, first question. Sir, revise syllabus or physics? Sir, revise the syllabus of physics. Yes. From the next week, I also revise the. Today is the last class of physics. Then from the next class, I will. Okay, I will take your attendance. Next week, I will revise the physics syllabus. Okay. So first question. That is class 8. Science. Question number 1. You have to write the answer in the chat box. Okay. Can any life exist on the moon? Can any life exist on the moon? If it is yes, no. Okay. Why it is no? Why it is no? Okay. That is Onnoy, Isita, Onangsu. No oxygen. Okay. Any other explanation? Anyone? Sir, you said will the reduce syllabus of physics? I cannot find the portal. I have uploaded it. I have uploaded it, and you have almost all the students. Just ask to anyone to your friends. He or she will provide the syllabus, reduced syllabus. Okay. Because of atmosphere is not present there. Light is not present there. Okay. Because of it do not have any oxygen, so it cannot travel. It cannot travel. Okay. So right answer is no, but actual answer is there is no atmosphere and no water on the moon. That's why it is not possible to exist life in the moon. Okay, not in, that is on. So all of you have given right answer. Next question. Okay, first of all, I am drawing a picture. I am drawing a picture. You have to say what are they. Tell me quickly, what are A and B and C? What are A, B and C? Quickly. In one answer or not? Three things are there, A, B and C. Yes. A moon, B earth and C are the rays. It means from that side there is sun. From that side there is sun. C is the light rays. Light rays means these are coming from the sun. Okay, A moon, B earth, C rays. Very good. Okay, next question. Can we hear the sound on the moon? Can we hear? Okay. 2 students have said no. 3. Okay. Minazul, no. Ronodip, no. Why? Tell me. We cannot hear any sounds on the moon because there is no medium, so sound is no propagate. Okay, Kinton has written because it needs a medium to travel. Okay, Isita also right, Kinton also right. So very good answer. 2 answers have come. I want minimum 5 answers from your side. Sound can mechanical wave. Very good. Sound is mechanical wave. So, and no medium is there. That's why you cannot travel. Anyone else? 3 people still typing. Quickly. Because a lot of question to minimum 10 question I will discuss. 10 question I will discuss in your class. As there are no medium, so it cannot be. Yes. So sound is a mechanical wave. What is mechanical wave? Mechanical wave means that medium, that wave which needs to medium for propagation. So as sound is mechanical wave, so it needs to propagate medium. But on the moon, there is no atmosphere. So sound cannot be here on the moon. Okay, very good answer. So that is question number 3. Now moving on, question number 4. Moving on, question number 4. Can we draw the solar system by the scale? Can we draw the solar system by the scale? It's a very easy question. Yes, no, we cannot draw the solar system by the scale. Okay. Okay. Now, looking at a celestial bodies, looking at a question number, next question, that is question number 5. Yes, all of you have good answer. That looking at a celestial bodies in the sky, that is twinkling. Okay. Onansi said it is planet and Ornoy said it is star. Who is correct? This object is twinkling. Onansu said it is planet and Ornoy said it is star. Who is correct? Quickly answer. Ornoy said Ornoy. Very good. And Onangsu, your answer? Onangsu, your answer? Ornoy. Okay. Very good. So because it is twinkling, so it means it is star. Planet does not twinkle. And why it is twinkling? That reason we will read in the class 10. Because of atmospheric refraction, continuous atmospheric refraction, it is twinkling. Okay. Next question. That is question number 5. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. Do stars emit light only during night? Yes or no? Just answer yes or no. Okay. It emits light all the time during day or night. Okay. But why it seems that stars are giving light at night? What is the reason behind it? Anyone? Quickly. Which seems that sun bright at Bay of Bengal. Because sunlight guard them. Yes. Because of the very good answer, that is Onnoy, Oirangsu, Farana. Because sun is not at night. Okay. Sun is not at night. Sun is always there. Because due to the sun rays, we cannot see the stars. That's why it seems that they are giving light only in the night time. Okay. So question number 6 I have discussed. Next question number 7. Question number 7. Give the name of the planet which is known have a largest number of natural satellite. Which planet have largest number of satellite? Quickly answer. Quickly. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to see the first 5 only. Who will be the first 5? Jupiter. That is Oinangsu, Kinton, Ishita, Ronodip, Minazul. These students have given first right answer. Farana, Jupiter, well done answer. Sir, there is a debate about the planet. There are debate about the largest moon. Actually, it can have the debate, but CBSE have said that Jupiter have largest number of satellite. So we will take Jupiter. Okay. Got it, Kinton? Next question. So question number 7. Next question number 8. Question number 8. Mention the very important question, very much important question. Mention the name of the planets that were discovered only after invention of telescope. After discovering of telescope, 2 planets are discovered. What are they? What are they? Quickly. I want to see first 5 students. What are they after? Okay. Okay. Your and name. Okay. So who are the first 5? That is Kinton. I most probably Kinton is the first. Kinton have answered first. That is Kinton, Onnoy, Farana, Isita and Rajat. Uranus and Neptune. These 2 planets have discovered after discovering the telescope. Now question number 8. Now question number 9. Question number 9. Give the name of planet which is known have the okay. No. This I have already completed. Okay. What is the smallest planet in the solar system? Question number 9. What is the smallest? Okay, Mars. Okay, Pluto. Aryan, where are you? Pluto is a planet. Yes, Mercury. Already I have discussed yesterday. Okay. Next and question, last question. Can we read the distance of nearest star from the earth conveniently? Can we read the distance of nearest star from earth? No. Why? It's very much difficult to remember. That it is here the answer that "13 zeros are there. It is very much difficult to remember that kilometer. That is Alpha Centauri distance. Alpha Centauri distance is that one. Okay. So it is very much difficult to remember. Okay. Now, so 10 questions I have discussed. Next, 2 MCQ question. 2 MCQ question. First of all, who will give the first right answer? I want to see. 2 MCQ question I will ask. That's nearest the sun, but I have written the distance, the Alpha Centauri. Yes, Anangsu. Nearest star is sun. After that, I have written the distance of Alpha Centauri. Okay. Which star is nearest to Earth? Listen it carefully. Only 30 seconds I will give you time. Okay. Listen the option first, then you will answer. Listen the option first, then you will answer. Okay. Which star is nearest to the Earth? Okay. Option A, Pole Star. Option B, Cassiopeia. Option C, Orion. Option D, Alpha Centauri. Alpha Centauri. Okay. Kinton, Isita, Onnoy and Rajat. Okay. They have given right answer. Also Aryan, Minazul, Farana, Ranadip, Rajat. Okay. Next question. Next question. So first answer, it is answered by Kinton. Next one. Ursa Major is a option A, star constellation seen only by telescope and satellite. Ursa Major, star constellation seen only with telescope and satellite. Which one is the right answer? That obviously option B. But who have given the first right answer? Rajat this time. Rajat have answered B option. Kinton, Farhana, Annoy. Okay. Yes, Ursa Major is a constellation. Next question. Morning star is the name of given option A pole star, option B star Sirius, option C star planet Venus, and option D planet Jupiter. Okay. This time also right answer given by Rajat. Okay, so students, just today I end this class here. Next day also I will discuss this question answer in your class. Okay. Sir, please repeat 10. Repeat 10 means? Onangsu?